Email is dead. Okay, tell that to the 97% of our sales that come from email marketing, not social media. And in this video, I'm going to show you once and for all why email marketing is the best way to leverage automation and systems to get more leads, sales, and signups in your business. I'm Jordan Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community, alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious entrepreneurs the proven blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so you can create revenue on autopilot while living the lifestyle of your dreams. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button because we put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss out. I'm here to bust some myths around email marketing and whether or not you should be using it in your business. So let's start with some facts. Did you know that 99% of consumers use email every single day? Some as many as 20 times a day. And 58% of consumers report checking their email first thing in the morning before they even check social media. I know in our business, we use email marketing because we know when we send out an email, 20% of our subscribers aren't just going to see our email. They're going to open it, click it, and read it. Compare that to the average 1 to 2% of social media followers who will see any given post that you put out there, and using email marketing in your business is a no-brainer. Now, don't get me wrong, having a clear social media strategy to attract your ideal clients, customers, or teammates is essential, because you've got to have a strategy in place to build that email list so you have people to send emails to. That's why we did an entire video around creating a proven, profitable social media strategy for your business, which you can watch right here. But social media without email marketing is just bad business. Not only is email one of the best ways to leverage and automate your marketing efforts, but it's also the most secure way to do so. Because unless your name is Mark Zuckerberg, you don't own Instagram or Facebook. These platforms could go away, or you could lose access to your account at the blink of an eye. It's something you have absolutely no control over. In fact, a few years ago, my mom and I had our social media account with over 30,000 followers hacked. We were never able to regain access back to that account. And so we lost our social media presence overnight. Thankfully, we had a strong email marketing strategy in place, which means that not only did our revenue not take a dip at all, but we still had a method for communicating and connecting with the audience that we had worked so hard to grow. And because you own your email list, meaning you can download, backup, import your subscribers into any program you want, and essentially do whatever you want with your list, if you build it right, it can also be the most profitable, most secure asset that your business owns. Okay, now that I have you convinced, let's talk best practices around building an engaged email list of people who are excited to see your name in their inbox. I'm talking an audience of raving fans who can't wait to open your emails, click, read, buy, do all the things that email marketing can do for your business when you build it right. Step number 1 is to create a powerful freebie funnel. A freebie funnel is a free downloadable resource that you create and give to your audience in exchange for their name and email. This is the fastest, most powerful way to grow your audience using email. And once you have a profitable funnel in place, you can even pour some gasoline on the fire and amp up your results, really accelerate them by even using paid ads that you direct to your freebie. We cover this in much more detail inside our Repeatable Revenue Masterclass. In this free 60-minute training, we show you exactly how to attract, capture, and convert your ideal clients and customers. And we even share our secret strategy for creating consistent, repeatable sales on autopilot, even if you're starting from scratch or have a small audience. You can check out the training now at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training, and I will link it for you below as well. Step number 2 is to pack your emails with value. If all you do is pitch people in your emails, you're not going to have an engaged list of buyers for very long. Instead, pack your emails with value by directing people back to free trainings and videos and posts that you've shared on social media. This is a great way to get more views on your social media content and boost your engagement. You can also send people back to video replays. You can send them to YouTube episodes, just like we do. And you can even provide exclusive newsletter style content in your emails that you don't post anywhere else. When you pack your emails with value, your audience will get used to opening and reading them. They'll be excited to see your name in their inbox, and that means when you come to them with something to sell, they're already going to be in the habit of opening and reading your emails, which is really going to boost your conversions. Step number 3, be consistent. At least you want to be emailing your list 1 time a week. However, we have tested this extensively and have found that we get the best results, the highest open rates, the most click-throughs when we consistently email our list 5 days a week. Step number 4, use great subject lines. Your subject lines are what are going to drive people to open your emails, to actually see them in their inbox and choose to read your email over all the other ones that are sitting there. In your headlines, you want to create curiosity. You want to point to specific pain points and problems that your audience has and solutions that you can provide to help them solve those problems. Your headlines should be exciting, and if you want to pack an additional punch, you can even personalize your headlines by including your subscriber's first name in the subject line, which is really going to draw their attention. They're going to see their name in their inbox, and it's going to make them want to click. Finally, step number 5, always use a call to action. You want to be driving people to take a next step every single time they open and read one of your emails. And a little secret tip, put your call to action in the PS line. I'm sure you have done this as well. Tons and tons of people will skim your email all the way to the bottom and then only read the PS. And if your PS is compelling enough, it can actually be enough to make someone scroll back up and actually read your entire email start to finish. So in your PS, use a call to action, not always to promote a product or service that you're selling, but you can do that sometimes. I think you should do that pretty often. But some other calls to action that you can include would be encouraging people to reply to your email and start a conversation, to forward the email to a friend. You can ask them to follow you on Instagram or subscribe to you on YouTube or join your free value Facebook group. There are so many ways that you can call people to take an additional step that brings them further into your ecosystem and connects you or nurtures that relationship even more. Of course, sometimes you also want to include links where they can go to your website and purchase a product, service, or a program that you offer for sale. When it comes down to it, email marketing can be the most powerful tool you use in generating more leads, sales, and signups for your business. But you have to have a clear step-by-step strategy in place to actually drive those leads and create conversions. We use our 5-phase freedom-focused profit system to do this. Inside, we show you how to attract, capture, nurture, convert, and upgrade your audience using our automation and leveraged systems so that you can build your business in less time each week by working smarter, not harder. We break it all down for you inside our free 60-minute training, our repeatable revenue masterclass. In this class, we show you the complete blueprint, step A to Z, of how we built our profitable personal brand, going from social media nobodies to hitting multiple 6 figures in our business in just 10 months using social media and email marketing. You can reserve your seat for this totally free training at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training, and I've put the link for you below as well. Okay, that's all for now. If you want to dive deeper into creating a profitable social media plan for your business, go watch this video. And if you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button because we put out great new videos just like this every single week, and I want you to get notified the next time a new video comes out. I'll see you there.